Menteri Sorkar ke Jela Badairu MLA ke Shillong South ke Sisajan ula play pai ke surak bypass ke Bashispa Prapusan Mitar ke Bayat Nadien jong ke NEFA Secretariat Cantonment Area ke jinglot ke Bakat syaka lai point lai pun riu klur tingka. Habakran ke jinglang ba Sunbor ula ong ba ke ni ke surak ke day ke Blashna ke jingyo I jingai jong ke Sorkar MDA po ke jinglam jong Menteri Rang ba konrat ke Sangma bat semput Menteri Rang ba Preston Tensang dah kebayat ringkat bat u komuameli kathan. Ulo ongru baka ni kanya rabha ban wenye ka dengkali na marki kali kamtam ki bahab banya lingba ka surak civil hospital bat ki benta jong jingking shirpi na markim tan kam shu banya kalan na surak Anjali petrol pump ka berem. Menteri ula airu ke jingero ya ke jingtri borpa jong katanat PWD Shillong Central Division kebalala pan penwandur bat pendap yang ni ke surak hapdeng bon ki jing e. Nakaliang executive engineer ke Shillong Central Division PWD pa S Litam ha ke jingkran matpang ula ai ke jingero ya baro ki badan benta ban pelong yang ni project bakan dep kloy. Na don lang ru ha ni ke sngi na do ke Rani Dibang, DRC, jong ke Sorkar Arunachal Pradesh, nangta superintending engineer ke PWD, ki he pulen, ki nongilam shnang bat ki bay.
At least to 10 to 15% this traffic congestion. So first of all, I would like also to express my sincere thanks to the Almighty God who have given us a wonderful weather, a good weather where we have assembled here together to inaugurate this mini bypass constructed by the PWD department. And today, in this inauguration, the inauguration of the construction, including MBT of Ling Road. It means this Ling Road. Behind Nefas Secretariat. This land belongs to the government of Arunachal Pradesh. Within cantonment area, Shillong sanctioned for an amount of rupees 3 crore 36 lakh 18,000 under the state special plan assistance. This scheme was jointly initiated, like executive engineer has said, that it is the ground force, the ideas, the suggestion which we have discussed all together, right from the top official of the PWD and the top official of the government, and including me as the local MLA, where we have come up with one constructive idea that will approach the government of Arunachal through Madam Rani Dibang, who is the DRC of this Arunachal Secretariat, government of Arunachal. So finally, this is the initiative taken by the MDA government under the chief ministership of Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, including the initiative of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tensongji, who is also in charge of PWD Road and Building, which was jointly initiated. Discussion from time to time, we have a conversation from time to time. As a local MLA, we have a joint initiative. And today the dreams has come true, and we are going to lay the foundation to inaugurate the stone. So I would like to express my sincere thanks on behalf of all the people of Shillong, 19 South Shillong constituency, the people of Shillong, and all the top officials of the PWD department who are the ground force to architect this mini bypass.
Actually, why we decide to construct this road? Being the executive engineer in the division, I discussed along with my SE, additional CE, Chief Engineer, Secretary, PWD Minister, and also with the Honorable Minister to Government of Mekalayam in charge for art and culture. I consult with them. I told them, according to my observation, I have seen all vehicles coming from Jowai side, Maukanreu constituency, Nongkrem constituency, Sorankam constituency, even from all localities from Shillong, from Nong Thamai, Ranja, from PB, whichever vehicle have a program to Guwahati or to Upper Shillong. The only way for entry exit, it's from here road near Anjali petrol pump.